Hi everyone, Kimberly Berg here in the Rebel Fit Club. The last couple videos that I did for you was a modified Superman where you were laying on your belly on a mat with your hips padded. This week, I'm going to use the ball to show you how to do a modified Superman. Now just a word of caution, anytime that you're laying on a ball, the ball could roll around so it's a little bit more unstable, but it really will pad your low back and help you accomplish this exercise. So we're going to get started just by bringing the ball under your belly. Now just this part alone is a lot of work for some people, but if you can get that right under your belly, it will protect your low back. You're going to put your hands down in front of you with your legs directly out behind you. Now, all you have to do is take a breath in, and you're going to lift from the upper hamstring just like we did with the other exercise, and it's just one leg at a time. So you're going to take a breath in and lift that leg up and down, and then the other one up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, if you want to add the arms, you can. Now remember that now you're going to only have 2 points of support. So you're going to take a breath in and stretch this out. Okay, don't let your form collapse because you're using only 2 points versus 3 points. So that's a higher level exercise. You want to keep looking down. You don't want to look straight ahead. That cranks on your neck. So just keep everything in a straight line. So that is my quick hit for today. There's lots of ways to play with this exercise in different variations. But if you're having difficulty doing the whole exercise lengthened out, chunk it out. Do upper body, lower body, experiment. If your low back hurts, always reposition the pad or the ball. So that is my quick hit for today. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Go to our website at rebelfitclub.com. There's a questionnaire there, lots of cool videos. You can learn a little bit more about myself and the Rebel Fit Club. We also have great online videos right now. They're always live, not pre-recorded. We can come to you where you're at in your home. We have Tai Chi, yoga, boxing, boot camps, you name it, I bet we've got it. So thank you so much for watching. Check out all my videos and my blog on my website where you can see the full article. And as always, go forth and conquer.